Morning students, today we will study class 3rd chapter number 8 more on MSW logo. We will do the revision of this chapter and practically in practical way. Right, in the previous chapter we have studied the commands of MSW logo. Okay, this is your MSW logo. First of all, we will open this. MSW logo has been open here. After that, you have learned that FD, BK, RT, LT, home, CS, CT and HT command. FD means forward command, BK means backward command, RT means right command, LT left command, home is your home command, CS clear the screen, CT clear the text, HD hide the turtle and your ST show the turtle. Command in logo in chapter number in your previous chapter. Okay. After that, today we will study about PU and PD command. What is PU command and what is your PD command? The PU command is used to make the turtle stop drawing a line when it moves. Suppose I am writing here FD. I am writing here in command box FD 100 and RT 90. FD 100 space RT 90. This is your command I have given here, and you will show it moves FD 100 and RT 90 means 100 step upward and 90 step in right side. So it has been, the line has been drawn here. See, the line has been drawn here. So the PU command is used to make the turtle stop drawing a line when it moves. जब टर्टल हमारा मूव करता है तो आप जो लाइन ड्रॉ होती है वो लाइन, व्हेन यू आर अप्लाइंग अ पीयू कमांड देन it cannot make a line. The pen down means PD command is used to make the turtle begin drawing again. For example, to draw two square, okay, you need to use PU and PD command, right? Suppose we are using PU and PD command. First, how you can use the PU and PD command, right? We have cleared the screen and cleared the text also. Now I am writing here FD 100 and RT 90. FD 100 and RT 90. Again FD 100 and RT 90. Again you have to write FD 100 and RT 90. Again you will write FD 100 and RT 90. Okay, FD 100 RT 90, FD 100 RT 90 you have written 4 times. After that you will enter here PU command. What is PU? Okay, then you can see this is your PU command. Now you can write RT 90, FD 120, RT 90 and LT 90 and FPD command. How? RT 90 and FD 120, LT 90 and your P and D command. Then you have to press enter, right? See, the turtle has been removed from one side to another. Now you can draw another triangle. How? FD 100 RT 90, right? Again FD 100 RT 90. Enter. Sub FD 100 and RT 90. Then FD 100 and RT 90, right? Then this is your turtle. Now you have to use HT command, means hide the turtle. See, the two squares has been made here and the line has been not drawn, right? Then this is the way you can use PU and PD command, right? PU and PD command. After that, draw a square using the command. Now we will again draw a square to use a command here. We will draw a square and the commands are fd100 rt90 fd100 rt90. Now type the enter pen erase pe and type the same command again. Suppose we are writing here fd100 rt90, then fd100 rt90, then fd100 and your rt90, then fd100 and rt90, right? After that, now type and enter pe command. What is your pe command? Pen erase command. Type here pe command, then press enter, right? Pe command, then press enter. It is your pe command. After that, what you have to type? fd100 and rt90, fd100 and rt90, enter. See, it means it is your pen erase command. You can erase here. Our second option, fd100 and rt90, right? So it has been wrong here that I have not given the space between fd100 and rt90, so it has been dismissed. Again, you can see if you are writing here using here fd100 rt90, enter. After that, fd100 and rt90, enter. Your fd100 rt90, फिर after that fd100 space rt90, then your fd100 and rt90, right? It is your pen erase command, right? When you are typing ppt command, suppose we are writing here again fd100 and rt90. See, after that, what you have to write here? ppt command. What is your ppt command? ppt command is your pen paint command. Now you can see fd100 and rt90, right? See, the line has been drawn here. Okay, after that, if you want to erase this, then what you have to do? Type here pe, enter. After that, we have gone forward fd100 and rt90. Now we will type here bk100 and lt90, right? It has been backward command and towards left hand side. Okay, now you can type here the cs and ct, so that the screen has been cleared here. Okay, if you have system in your home, you can practice this chapter again and again. We have done the revision of this chapter many times. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.